Namaste friends. Myself Kiran Anand. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor and music therapist working in Kerala Center for Ayurveda and Yoga, Moscow. Today my session is about Aikamatya Sukta. It is for the unity of mankind. So I will explain the meaning and I will chant the Sukta. Before starting the session, I am seeking blessings of my great Guru, late Sri Narayana Mangalatha Agni Sharman Nambudiri. He is my teacher, he is my Guru in Rigveda. I am so happy that I could study a little of Rigveda from my childhood. I was one among the Vedic student of Guruvayur Devaswam. Actually, my cousin brothers were also there. My elder cousin Manoj and my younger cousin Vineet. We three were there. And Sri Agni Sharma Nambudiri was our Guru. Our Saturdays and Sundays were for this Rigveda chanting. It was a wonderful feeling. We could study a lot from him. But we know that Rigveda is just like sea. We have studied only a little of it. But seeking blessings of Sri Agni Sharman Nambudiri. It was a far-sightedness of my parents also, that they believed that it will be good for my career also. Of course, it was very much correct. I studied Ayurveda and there was a lot of mantras in that. It was very much helpful for me to study and gather information from Ayurveda also, as I have been taught verses of Rigveda in my childhood. So I am seeking blessings of my father, Sri Ananda Nambudiri, and my mother, Sharada. I am thankful to my uncle, Sri K.M. Setumadhavan Nambudiri, who encouraged me a lot in doing this session. Aikamatya Sukta is from Rigveda. It contains 8 lines. Each line is called as Antam in Rigveda. So there are 8 Antams in this Sukta. As I have told you before, it is for the unity. Unity in family, in society, in country, in nation, and all over the world. I feel that this mantra is very much relevant in this present era. Hence, I have selected this Sukta. So I will chant the Sukta and explain its meaning. Samsamidyuvase vrishan agne vishvanyarya ilaspade samidhyase sanova sunyabhara. O sacred fire, you unites all components in the universe. You takes offerings to gods. You brings us all fortunes. Sangachadhvam samvadadhvam samvo manamsi janatam deva bhagay yatha purve sanjanana upasate. Let we walk together. Let we talk together. In the right way and in the right sense. Let our mind can sense things in the proper, good manner. Just like our rishis or acharyas who are able to perform rituals, analyze things with no arguments within them. Samano mandra samiti samani samanam manasaha chittamesham samanam mandram abhimandra eva samanena voha vishajuhomi. Samana means same, without any conflicts. Let our mind be full of positive thoughts and positive energy. Use all we attain for good deed. Hence, I am doing offerings for the unity of mankind. Samaniva akutis samana hridayaniva samanamastu vo mano yatha vasu sahasati. Let our decisions and vision be same. Because difference in sankalpa or vision is the root cause of all conflicts. Let our united mind and knowledge provides wellness to the mankind. Now I will tell the meaning in Malayalam. Allayo കാമവർഷകനായ അഗ്നേ, അങ്ങു മാത്രമാണ് ദേവന്മാരുടെ ഇടയിൽ വ്യാപിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. യജ്ഞത്തിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരവേദി സ്ഥാനത്ത് നല്ലപോലെ ജ്വലിച്ച് അങ്ങ് വർത്തിക്കുന്നു. അങ്ങ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടതെല്ലാം നൽകിയാലും. നിങ്ങൾ ഒരേ മനസ്സോടെ വർത്തിക്കുന്നവരും ചിന്തിക്കുന്നവരും പറയുന്നവരുമായി തീരട്ടെ. ഏകരൂപമായ ഈ പ്രവൃത്തികൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ശ്രേയസ് നൽകട്ടെ. എപ്രകാരമെന്നാൽ വിവിധങ്ങളായ യജ്ഞഹവിർഭാഗങ്ങളെ പ്രാചീനരായ ദേവന്മാർ ഉപാസിക്കുന്നത് പോലെ ഇവരുടെ കർമ്മങ്ങളും പ്രാപ്തികളും മനസ്സും ജ്ഞാനവും സമാനമാവട്ടെ. ഞാനാകട്ടെ സമാനമായ മന്ത്രോച്ചാരണം കൊണ്ട് സാധാരണമായ ഹവിസ്സിനെ ഹോമിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങളുടെ തീരുമാനങ്ങളും സങ്കല്പങ്ങളും സമാനമാവട്ടെ. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഏകരൂപമായ മനസ്സും ജ്ഞാനവും ശോഭനമായ സാഹിത്യം പോലെയായിത്തീരട്ടെ. In this period of coronavirus, it is important to have unity in mankind. Don't be narrow-minded. Let our mind, intelligence, and vision be broad. When there is difference in opinion, it leads to dislike, which leads to hatred, egoism, arrogance, arguments, fight, separation, loss, and grief. So difference in opinion is the root cause of all conflicts. May this Ayush Sukta helps in uniting the mind. While performing yajnas, yagas, etc., Agnaye idam namama is chanted, which means that, O Lord, O sacred Agni, this is not for me. This is for the mankind, for the whole people in the world. Such a broad-minded vision is there. So please hear this mantra which helps in reuniting your mind. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda. സംസമിദ്യുവസേ വൃഷന്നഗ്നേ വിശ്വാന്യര്യ ആ ഇളസ്പദേ സമിധ്യസേ സനോ വസൂന്യാഭരാ സംഗച്ഛധ്വം സംവദധ്വം സംവോ മനാംസി ജാനതാം ദേവാഭാഗം യഥാ പൂർവേ സഞ്ജാനാനാ ഉപാസതേ സമാനോ മന്ത്രഃ സമിതി സമാനീ സമാനം മനഃസഹ ചിത്തമേഷാം സമാനം മന്ത്രമഭിമന്ത്ര ഏവ സമാനേന വോ ഹവിഷാജുഹോമി സമാനീവ ആകൂതിഃ സമാനാ ഹൃദയാനിവ സമാനമസ്തു വോ മനോ യഥാ വസ്സു സഹാസതി. As this sukta is in Vedic Sanskrit, there will be different interpretations of the meaning of this sukta. Please comment your views and forgive my flaws. Like, share and comment if you like this video. Thank you.